Hey bosses, hey bosses. Welcome back to another Boss Production studio. Into this week's week-long vlog, we're going to do a couple of different orders. This is a voiceover, because my house do be noisy, so I can't be copyrighted when I have TVs and music playing in the background. So we do our voiceover like we normally do. Right now we are hitting back another Notorious One onesie. Yes, like I told y'all in the previous video, this onesie has been popping up on my orders a lot these past couple of weeks. So we're doing another one. All right, so right now we're just weeding it out. Weeding out our black portion, weeding out we already did the crown as you saw. So right now we're just taking our time because as you know, glitter vinyl, it might be hard to weed, but it even a little delicate. I mean, it might be hard to cut, but it's a little delicate to weed. You want to be careful when you're weeding your glitter vinyl because it can tear easily. So we just got all our negative parts out. And now we're going to go and press. Like I told y'all in the previous video, this is my favorite onesie to do because it's all glittery, it's all sparkly, but it is also unisex. It can go for both boy or girl because of the way the design is and the way it sparkles for the girls, but it gives it also that royalty hint for the boys also. That's why it can go for both the little boy in your life or the little girl in your life, or should I say the little king and queens in your life. So, the normal process, you're going to get out your moisture and make sure your item is nice and straight, no wrinkles, no moisture. Make sure everything is good. I fold my design in half so I get the middle section. I kind of been, once you've been doing this for a while, you can kind of eyeball the center of your shirt. But to get the center of your design, I fold it in half because designs, depending on the way they are done, may be kind of crooked, kind of slant, words might be bigger than some. You just want to make sure you find that center crease. I'm going to attach the little crown on to make sure I got my length from the top of the shirt, the enough length from the top of the shirt down so I have enough, like my 2-finger length from the collar down. Everything is good, everything is set, so now we're gonna press. I press for a normal 40 seconds when it comes to the glitter, just a little extra press, but not too much of a long press because you are doing another layer. So we've done both layers now, and we're gonna give it that final press to make sure everything has gotten sealed in properly. All right, y'all. For me, hold on, wait. I gotta get a little content for Instagram and TikTok. You know what I mean? But for me, it's gonna be a couple of seconds. For you, for you, it's gonna be a couple of seconds. For me, it's gonna be a whole nother day, a day or two down the line. So I'll catch y'all in a few. All right, y'all, we back. Brand new day, brand new order. Yes, this time we are going back to another hat order. As y'all can see, this time we're doing black. I think the last time we did a teal hat, if I'm not mistaken. But however which way these videos go, get uploaded into YouTube. But yes, this is a hat order that we are going to be doing, and it's going to be a Kansas. Listen, okay, I just said something about my Notorious One onesie giving me multiple orders of the same item in a 2-week, 3 weeks time span. My Kansas City Chiefs hats, honey, from the Claude Mark design to the lips dripping lip design. I have been getting Kansas City hat orders like it's no tomorrow. I know they won the Super Bowl last year. I know they did. But football season done started. Everybody want to rep them champs. Them champs, baby, them champs. But and if y'all paying attention to football season this year like I am, because I have a husband who loves football, y'all will see and notice that they might do a repeat. Now, come on with it. I'm here for it. I am here for it. Me in particular, I'm a big basketball fan, but I haven't gotten any basketball orders. Not for the basketball hats. And I do have those too. Y'all check out y'all see that little thing down there? Check it out. Y'all go check out my site. Y'all see, I got hats for days. For days, I say for days. But anywho, back to the video. We got to do a little content for the gram and TikTok, show them. But look how them lips dripping. Look how them lips dripping. I love it. When I say I love it, I love it. If you love it, I like it. And them Chiefs, baby, them Chiefs. Look at that. Look at that. So nice. Anywho, we finna go ahead and package this order on up because this is the end of this day. And we have a brand new day again tomorrow. Now, I kind of lost the rest of the footage to this. Oh, no, I didn't lose it. I'm sorry. My camera died when I was packaging this video. So, hey, y'all. Welcome back to another day. And when I tell y'all my Kansas City hat's been popping, I wasn't lying yesterday when I said my Kansas City hat's been popping. I wasn't lying. And to show y'all that I wasn't lying, and to prove to y'all that this is not the same hat that y'all just saw, y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it. Anywho, he presses my hat press is set at 385. My time is set at 60 seconds. I just released out the moisture, and I got a nice smooth flat surface to work with. Now I am going to tape down the designs. And with my hats, when it comes to my shirts, I do not tape down. You do not, well, in my case, I do not have to tape down or do not tape down every inch and corner of it. But when it comes to my hats, I do, because that pressure going down and that pressure coming up and you trying to position it the right way, you can get ghosting. Trust me, I've messed up a couple of hats doing that. But with this way, when you tape down everything, don't matter if you move it or you whatever, it is going to not ghost. Now back to getting some content. And now y'all gonna see this is a whole totally different hat. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love my hats. Bro, if my shirts don't pop off and sell like the way I want them to, I'm gonna strictly go into trays and hats, because my trays and hats been moving. So y'all, it's a brand new day. Hey, we doing it again. We are going to do another Steelers tray. I'm not going to show y'all the full process because I know there's plenty of videos on how I do the epoxy part of it. So right now I'm just showing you the basics of me attaching all the images to the products. This one is a little different than my other ones. This one is the vintage Steelers hat because it has that vintage look on it, and it's that pride because you will ride or die Steeler hat 24/7, 365 days. You know what I mean? That this tray is for those die-hard Steelers fan. Win or lose, tie or draw, y'all riding for y'all Steelers. This is what we call this vintage Steelers pride, because you've been there since day one. So you vintage. You feel me? So all I'm showing you right now is just the attachment part of it. When we come on back, I'm going to do the the packaging part of it, because we're not going to go through the whole process of me showing y'all every detail. So right now, y'all just gonna see me attach on the images to the tubes, the trays, the ashtrays, the jars, and actually put together the scoop card, and that's about it. You're gonna see me package up everything else. So we're gonna package up this hat. Like I told y'all in previous videos, I work at Sephora. So when we do shipment on our shipment nights, I do take a couple of boxes that I know I can use for my shipment. So this is a Touchland box that I have turned into my hat box. And we are gonna go ahead and ship it out in this because it's a perfect size, perfect for everything. Now we're going to hit up the tray. Everything's cool. Y'all use Spring 23 for 20% off. Y'all order when y'all hit my site, www.DaBawseKreationz.com. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.